Jam your hands together for Atiku Abubakar.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. PDP! 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 I want to recognize our wonderful governors, performing governors who are here today. Most especially, I want to recognize our host, Governor Emmanuel Udom. Now, listen to me very carefully. Nigeria wants to be like Akwa Ibom. You know why? Because since 1999, you have not changed parties. And you can see the development that is taking place here in Akwa Ibom. You can see the prosperity that is taking place in Akwa Ibom. You can see the security that is available in Akwa Ibom. So the rest of Nigeria would like to be like Akwa Ibom. Therefore, we want to delegate the launching of this campaign to the achievements of the Akwa Ibom PDP in good governance. Now, having said that, you know, when PDP came to power in 1999, we met Nigeria in a state of poverty, insecurity, hunger, lack of education. We lifted Nigeria from the bottom to the top. We became the biggest economy in Africa. We had peace, we had progress. And then Nigerians said they wanted change. They voted for change in 2015. What have we seen? What we have seen is poverty, insecurity, lack of jobs, and disunity. Our children are no longer going to school. Is that what you want to continue with? Is that what you want to continue with? So today we have inaugurated, flagged off our campaign to rescue Nigeria. To rescue Nigeria from hunger, to rescue Nigeria from poverty, and also to bring back the unity that we require in this country. Therefore, I want to appeal to all Nigerians by standing today in Uyo, in Akwa Ibom State, to ask them to vote for PDP. If you vote for PDP, it will be a return to prosperity. It will be a return to unity. It will be a return to your safety. So there will be no more hunger and there will be security. PDP! PDP! Are you going to vote for PDP?
Yes.
Are you going to vote for PDP?
Yes.
Are you going to vote for PDP? 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 Raise your hand, I promise. Are you going to vote for PDP? 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 PDP! 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 Believe me, listen to me. I swear, if you vote for PDP, you will all go back to school. You will get jobs. There will be security. There will be unity. PDP! I love Akwa Ibom, I swear. I love you all. PDP!
Power!
PDP!
Power!
PDP!
Power to the people!
PDP!
Power to the people!
Thank you very much.
We'll take national anthem here now. National anthem here.
The national anthem. Gentlemen, please.